Hello, in this section we will see how we style lists in CSS. So let's have some content first. So the first one is having some visible title, which is, let's say, Ethiopian, endemic, animals, and let's create some paragraph for non. So here we have an ordered list. So we use UL, then inside that you can create lists. So let me show you just a line, then asterisk, then 3. You can get 3 lines. So let's say the first endemic animal is copy Ethiopian wolf. Then the second one is Chelada. And the third one is picated mole rat. So that is a little bit adorable. So here we have another list, and let's give it a class name of n. So we can copy here simply by clicking at the first paragraph and at the end of UL, and we can press Shift Alt down arrow in order to copy it, and we make it another list, and let's make it to B. And let's make another ordered list. Simply first we put horizontal lines to separate the first and the second, and then we have a paragraph for ordered list. So we can use UL in Visual Studio Code. Then inside that we use greater than sign, then line, then times 3. So we can put it. So we get a magic. So we can copy here Ethiopian wolf, Chelada, and big-headed mole. So let's make it here, not another list, ordered list, ordered list. So let's give it class name of C, and let's copy this one, and let's make it D. So in order to see different types of list type, just we create 4 list types. So the first 2 is unordered, and the second 2 are ordered. So let's have some style tag here inside besides the head tag. Besides that, dots A, which indicates class A, and in order to apply list styles we use list. So here we want to apply a circle style for class A. For class B we can apply list style type of square. And for class C, for ordered list, you can apply that list style type upper Roman. And for class D, list style type of lower alpha. So we can refresh, for example, opening the page first. As we see, we get for another list circle and square, and for order list upper Roman and lower alpha. So we can change this. We can make it a number. In order to make a number, we use numeric, or to make it lower Roman possibilities. We can use one of them. So let's make it numeric, and let's take. So as you see, this changes to numeric values. And for the last one, sometimes you want to have a list without list type. So in that case, for example, for order list, we have two lists, a line. So let's copy two more animals from the endemic one. Wale ibex, and mountain nala. And let's make the class name of A. So in order to remove the list style type, if we refresh, for example, the page, now we get that it is disk another list type. So in order to remove it totally, we use class name of A and list type none. So simply removes the list or the list type. That is how we remove the list type. Thank you. Next we'll see about how we use image for lists. So first let's have lists. So we can copy from the last class. Simply let's copy. Then let's put here. Then we can apply style tag at the top. Style. Then for class A, we apply list style image property. Then we give URL for the image. So let me download some image. For example, here is a GIF. So I copy. So let's give it list. So GIF. So let's say. So I give the list dot GIF image extension. Now we are done. Let's see what it looks like on browser. So you see the list contains images or instead of bullets or numbers. In this section we'll see about list style positions. List style position is to place list bullets inside of the list item or outside of the list items. So in order to understand it clearly, let's see how we do it. So we use another list, then let's have some li elements, and let's have a text, a lorem same text. So let's copy and let's paste it here. So let's create another list, line test list 2. Let's say another list, a line, test list 3. So let's see what it looks like first. As we see, all the lists are outside of the items, which means the content. So now let's use the property list item position. We use a style tag. Inside the style tag, we use an order list. Then for that, we use list style, then position. Then there are two possible values inside and outside. The default is outside, so let's try inside first. Now when we refresh it, as we see, the bullets come into the contents or the item, list items. So the bullets are inside the content. This type of list positions, we call it inside list positions, and the default value is outside. So let's change it to outside the content or the list item. The default behavior is outside, so it becomes outside. That's how we use the list style positions. Thank you.